Yes,
My lord, on earlier occasion direction was
on the mic. There is some problem with the mic. Unless you speak just in front of the mic, you will not be heard.
sorry. Okay.
Yes.
My lord, on last occasion, my lord has directed to issue notice and also directed the Bihar School Exemption
Has the
Board.
notice been served?
And a notice requisition was submitted, and probably it may be served, my lord.
Just let us see. We have issued notice to respond number 5.
My lord.
Who is this respond number 5? The Principal Secretary, Primary Teachers Training College. Service report has already not been received. And counter affidavit had to be filed by Mr. Gyan. Where is he?
He is in court number 14.
But he must have given you some instruction.
So he asked me to take time for filing the counter affidavit. We have received the file just after last week.
You should have come in the beginning. Before Mr. Yadav, you should have come and said that you appear for respond numbers 1 to 4. Since the lawyer is not here, you are taking the leave to seek adjournment. Now, by what time would you file counter affidavit?
So 2 weeks.
2 weeks, the courts will not be available for you.
So after vacation.
Why this? Is it not deliberate that you are asking this case to be postponed unnecessarily? The matter is urgent. Some friend of his has been allowed to appear in the examination. His certificate has been issued. He has been left behind and he loses his job because of this. So whether he loses his job or he doesn't, that's something else. That shall be decided on merits. But why delay at our end?
I'm sorry, Your Lordship.
That is the urgency. Urgency is not a particular case. Urgency is the issue.
I understand.
There are
Your Lordship.
hundreds of cases. One gets passed over, doesn't matter. The second one will come in queue. But these are urgent matters. All right.
Yes.
How would you restitute the person? Suppose he wins. How would you restitute if he loses his job? Therein lies the urgency. Have you followed?
Yes,
So
yes,
tell
yes.
your senior that he should be ready with the counter affidavit. We'll hear it on the first day of reopening.
Okay.
Yes,
Your
Mr. Yadav.
My lord, I have no objection. And my lord, so far she is just learning.
No,
Yes,
that's
and
That's
she
right,
should
but
learn.
she's. Yes, Mr.
Lordship, there was also notice to the principal concerned, Lordship. And just 1 minute before he informed me that only one indolence he is praying to assist the Honorable Court.
Only a minute before he informed
Yes,
you.
yes, हम वहीं से हुजूर आ ही रहे हैं.
We put him to notice, ask him to appear tomorrow. What is this?
वो थोड़ा सा उनको असमंजस था कि हुजूर रिसेंटली ज्वाइन किए हैं, रिकॉर्ड नहीं है, बड़ा बाबू रिटायर कर चुके हैं.
This
थोड़ी
order was
उनको
passed when? It was passed in the month of April.
Only 3 days before notice he has been received, Lordship. That's why.
Don't tell me all this that he has informed you only just now. This goes against him.
Problem. I will correct it.
Yes, Mr. Gyan, why have you not filed your counter affidavit?
Because we have also received the copy of the LP only last week, Lordship.
Will you be able to restitute Mr. Yadav?
Lords, since the board conducts examination as direction of the Bihar State, Lordship.
Mr. Shekhar Tiwari, Learned Counsel for respondent number 5, submits that he shall be filing the response on his behalf by the next date. Stop. So is the position with respect to filing of counter affidavit on behalf of response number 1 to 4. Stop. Mr. Gyan Shankar, Learned Advocate for response number 1 to 4, states that he has received the statement of facts.
No, I have not received, my Lords. Only received the notice only last week, Lordship.
Mr. Gyan Shankar, Learned Advocate for respondents number 1 to 4, says that by the next date counter affidavit shall be filed.
Lords, may I request one thing, my Lords? Pray that. Lords, in this case, Lords, the state is also necessary party because, my Lords, the board conducts examination whenever the state directs him to conduct. So, the response of the state is also, my Lords, necessary
In
in
the
this case.
meantime, the state also to respond to the petition.
Oblige,
Please
Lordship.
notify
Oblige, Lordship.
20